The Dove and the Ant. Once upon a time, there was an ant climbing on the tree. Suddenly, he lost his balance and fell into the river. There was a dove sitting on a branch of a tree who saw the ant falling into the river. The dove saw the ant and had an idea in her mind. She quickly plucked a leaf and dropped it into the river near the struggling ant. The ant moved towards the leaf and climbed up onto it. Soon, the leaf drifted to the edge of the river and the ant jumped to safety. He looked up at the dove and thanked him. Later on, the dove was sitting on the tree peacefully when a bird hunter showed up to hunt birds. He saw the dove. Just before he took fire, the ant saw him and quickly ran towards the hunter's ankle and bit the hunter with all his force. The hunter yelped in pain and missed the shot. Upon hearing the gunshot, the dove flew away. Moral of the story: do good, have good.